Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Sonam Prajapati. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to change our cursor of our computer in a PC. So please continue watch this video until end. Now let's start the video. First of all, go to your control panel, search here control panel. You can change in window 8, 10, whatever window are using, it does not matter. And after this, click on the hardware and sound. So here you will see the option mouse, and just click on the mouse option, device and printers. Here is the mouse option. So guys, from this option speed, you can make your speed up, speed down, slow or fast your mouse cursor. And if you will click on the pointers, here you can see different kind of pointer. You can take anything you want. This is the normal, this is help select, this is plus, and pointer option. You can slow up pointer, slow down, and here is many kind of pointer. If you will click on the browser, here you will see the many kind of different cursor. Here you can take different kind of, suppose I select this one, just click on the open and just you have to click on the OK. So you can see my cursor is now changed. So in this way you can change your cursor. And if you will back here you can see ease of access, and if you will click on the ease of access center, and here you can make more smooth your mouse cursor, make the mouse easier to use. And here you can change your cursor big size, small size. So if you will click on the extra large, so you can see your cursor is now extra large. If you will click extra large inverting, so this is converted into a big size. So in this way guys, you can make your cursor big, small, whatever you want, and you can change cursor point. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. And I'll see you soon guys with a new video. Till now, bye bye.